Hi everyone, my name is John Tan and I am the CEO of Alchemy Pay. I would like to thank you for taking the time to join me here today, and I hope you're having a fantastic time with your loved ones preparing for the great Easter holiday. I thought I would also take this opportunity to explain some of the key aspects of Alchemy Pay so our viewers can understand what we are trying to achieve as well as answer some of the commonly asked questions within our community. Alchemy Pay was first founded in 2018 when a team of veterans from the traditional finance and payment industries hailing from corporate giants such as PayPal, HSBC, MasterCard that came together to explore the role of cryptocurrencies in adding value to the world for cross-border transactions. While cryptocurrencies have a lot of potential on this front, it remains too cumbersome to adopt for most businesses and people who are not already involved in this space. At a point in time, and even right now, crypto payment companies provided solutions that can solely accept cryptocurrencies. This proved to be an adoption roadblock as businesses are not willing to take on a whole new payment system just to accept a new payment method that they are not even familiar with. Now, this is the reason why Alchemy Pay launched the world's first hybrid payment solution, which enables our clients to accept both cryptocurrencies and mainstream fiat payment channels in just one single solution. Our hybrid solution was first deployed in 2019 across world-renowned merchants such as Celavi, Aldo, and PriceRite in Singapore and Hong Kong. Today, we have expanded our reach and support to over 70 countries and regions. This solution effectively enables Alchemy to bridge the crypto world to the mainstream world so crypto holders can access real-world products and services. In addition to our crypto payment capabilities, we also provide fiat payment channels and on-ramp solutions to public blockchains and crypto services providers so they can reach the majority of the world who are not already in the cryptosphere. Alchemy Pay's focus is well encapsulated by our mission statement, which is bridging the fiat and crypto global economies. To put it into simpler words, Alchemy Pay aims to drive the adoption of crypto investment and Web3 services, both of which can be pretty complex and daunting for those new in our industry. Our crypto payment solution makes it easy for businesses to accept crypto assets as payments, while our fiat rails and crypto on-ramps make Web3 services such as DeFi, NFTs, and other decentralized applications easily accessible by the mainstream audience. Our hybrid payment system enables businesses to accept both fiat currencies and cryptocurrencies for their real-world goods and services, no matter online or in-store. This is because we are able to provide them with payment terminals or integration methods such as APIs or SDKs. We strive to make the experience of crypto acceptance as simple as credit card or mobile wallet payment for our clients. We do so by paying them in the local currency they prefer so they never have to handle cryptocurrencies at all. Now, you may wonder, why would businesses start to accept cryptocurrencies? Traditional payment methods such as credit cards cost businesses around 3 to 5% in handling fees and only pay out to them in 1 to 2 weeks. This high fees and slow settlement is largely due to the numerous middlemen such as the card schemes, card issuers, or merchant acquirers that is needed to process a transaction. Alchemy Pay leverages our partnership with leading crypto wallets such as Binance Pay and the decentralized nature of cryptocurrencies to bring value to our clients. We only charge an average of 1% in handling fees and we pay out to our clients in just 1 day. Our crypto payment system is underpinned by a robust risk management system that not only mitigates the extreme volatility of the crypto markets but also foreign exchange risks. This is made possible by our partnerships with leading crypto exchanges, OTC platforms, stablecoin issuers, and global remittance companies. For example, when a consumer pays in Bitcoin, in real time, our system automatically converts the inbound crypto assets into stablecoins such as BUSD or USDT on crypto exchanges. At the same time, our OTC partners and stablecoin issuers ensure that we have the fiat liquidity for all of our stablecoins. Finally, our global remittance partners, who cover over 190 countries, help us transfer these funds into our clients' bank accounts. Our business development and expansion strategies are well aligned with our goals to drive global cryptocurrency adoption in the shortest time possible. As such, Alchemy Pay rarely acquires merchants one by one since it is too slow in addition to it being cost and labor intensive. Instead, Alchemy Pay adopts a top-down strategy in deploying our services. We look for partners with large merchant network or significant touch points to work with. These partners are mostly payment companies that have a massive merchant network that will help Alchemy Pay deploy our crypto acceptance solutions quickly within their already established technical and hardware infrastructure. For comparison, if Alchemy Pay were to provide a retail store with crypto acceptance, we will need a team to negotiate with the merchant, supply a payment terminal, provide training and regular maintenance to these devices. These efforts are already part of our payment company partners' daily operations. Therefore, Alchemy Pay typically conducts a direct integration with our partners for the greatest exposure while optimizing our cost and time requirements. Similar to the factors we look out for in a payment company, we seek out for opportunities that deploy our crypto acceptance services to as many touchpoints as possible. For example, we recently extended our partnership with Instapower, the manufacturer and distributor of the power bank charging station that is behind me, by providing them with Binance Pay acceptance. While it took about 2 weeks of cooperation for integration, the results were fruitful. Binance Pay acceptance will soon go live on 8,000 of these machines in 11 markets including Japan, France, Italy, and more within the second quarter of this year. Other partners such as e-commerce platforms are collaborations that we seek out for too. Many of our community followers have been eager to hear an update on our Shopify partnership. While we are awaiting partnership from their end, which can be slower than ideal as large corporations tend to have lengthier processes in place, we urge our followers not to be disheartened over the delay of this partnership. Many of our partnerships with crypto-friendly payment companies that we have forged close ties with are expected to produce better results in acquiring merchants for Alchemy Pay. Less than 1% of the world merchants are accepting cryptocurrencies right now. There are plenty of growth opportunities left out there and we are working hard to tap into all of them. Many of our greatest advantages stem from our long-standing roots in the traditional payment and finance industries. When combined with our expertise in crypto payment, our competitive advantage becomes clear. Firstly, regulation is one of the greatest roadblocks for all companies in the crypto sector, no matter whether you are a token issuer, crypto exchange, or payment service provider. The traditional payment and finance sector are known for their unforgiving compliance requirements. Our veteran team members from this space empowers us to navigate through this environment with ease. Secondly, many business partnerships are forged out of relationships and trust. Our decades of industry networking and reputation ensure we can secure major partnerships across both mainstream and crypto industry leaders. We leverage this to augment our growth and collaborations with the likes of Binance, Neum, Payton, and more. Lastly, we have local fiat payment channels that no other crypto payment services providers have. But why is this important? Most fiat to crypto transactions takes place via the banking network, whether it is credit cards or bank transfers. This leaves many of the unbanked people in developing nations out of the equation. Yet, demand for crypto investment and Web3 services are surging in these countries. Our access to many fiat mobile wallets puts us in a strategic position to help crypto services providers comprehensively target their key markets. That said, Alchemy Pay truly view all crypto payment service providers as our peers. The transition from the legacy payment system to crypto payment is a global revolution, and this can only be completed faster or even successfully when more of us commit to driving this vision forward collaboratively together. In addition to providing crypto payment services, Alchemy Pay also provides fiat rails and on-ramp services to crypto services providers. Many blockchain-powered services such as DeFi, NFTs, and Metaverse are very interesting to the mainstream, but they have no easy access to them. This is due to the complexities in getting their hands on cryptocurrencies in a simple manner directly with payment method that they are already familiar with. Alchemy Pay comes into the picture by providing them the fiat payment methods to crypto services providers and blockchain ecosystems, so they are able to make their products and services easily accessible by the mainstream audiences with credit cards, mobile wallets, and bank transfers. Some of our partners of such services include Polygon, VeChain, Avalanche, and more. Our white label crypto link card is a service that we have launched at the start of this year. This solution is catered for businesses, particularly token issuers and crypto services providers that are looking to issue their own logo branded MasterCard and Visa cards. Alchemy Pay simplifies this process for them by providing the entire backend system that is necessary for the issuance and the recharging of the cards, acquiring the card bin sponsorship, and sourcing for crypto to fiat liquidity for the operations of the card. This service requires the pledging and transaction fees in ACH by our clients, which will increase the long-term demand of ACH token in the long run. The Middle East is a region we want to enter, in particular the UAE. Government officials in Dubai have spoken about their intentions to become a cryptocurrency hub. The good news is we already have solid potential partners lined up in this city. With that said, the regulations surrounding cryptocurrency payments in that region are still not set in stone. As a strategic move to prevent spending our resources in vain, such as building a suite of localized solutions only to be put to a halt by regulations, Alchemy Pay is waiting for more updates from the governments and for the rules to solidify before we decide to deploy in the region. Furthermore, we can still continue to target the region by securing their local payment channels. For example, we recently partnered with GreePay, a payment company that will provide Alchemy Pay with Payby, which is a leading UAE mobile payment solution used by the locals. Alchemy Pay will then be able to enable crypto services providers all around the world, such as crypto wallets or crypto exchanges, to start accepting Payby. Alchemy Pay's progress in the last 2 to 3 quarters has been nothing short of amazing. Whether it is ACH token listings on major exchanges such as Binance, Coinbase, and Bybit, or our partnerships with crypto and mainstream industry leaders like Polygon, Avalanche, Algorand, Neum, and Payton. In 2022, we will strive to make our solutions better and more accessible in 3 ways. Firstly, we will put more focus into securing licenses in our key markets around the world, like the United Kingdom, Hong Kong, Indonesia, either by direct application or investment and partnerships with licensed entities. In fact, we have just secured our own license in the European region. These licenses will lower the base cost of our payment channels and make us more competitive when serving our crypto clients. Secondly, we will enhance our hybrid payment solution and ramp services to better serve our clients. For instance, in the second quarter of this year, we will make our crypto on-ramp service available on our website so that anyone can purchase ACH or any popular crypto assets directly on our website. Last but not least, we will strive to make ACH token accessible for clients and investors around the world by securing even more listings on top crypto exchanges. We believe that these 3 endeavors will help us secure even greater partnerships that will propel us towards our goal of bridging the crypto and fiat global economies. Our hardworking BD team members have secured several business meetings with government officials from African nations in the past 2 quarters. Often, the agenda of these meetings is to guide them along on what cryptocurrency can do for their nations. These discussions typically revolve around helping businesses in their countries sell their products and services across borders without paying exorbitant card transaction fees, which can be sometimes as high as 8% due to the immature and inefficient legacy payment infrastructure in those jurisdictions. Sometimes we also provide consultation on how cryptocurrency can help the expatriates remit money back home without paying 20 or even 30% in remittance fees. Many times we do this quietly in the background even if we do not get anything out of it, because that is the right thing to do. For instance, several months ago, my team and I provided remittance-related advice to the El Salvador team who work to make Bitcoin their legal tender. While our discussions with the government officials tend to be exploratory ones, they are critical for our growth. We are building relationships that will help us pave our path for when we need to navigate through future regulatory requirements. Moreover, these discussions often lead to the introduction of local payment companies for us to work with. As we are a B2B service provider, I feel I contribute to Alchemy Pay most when I am spending my time building the company, such as working on new solutions, brainstorming how we can enhance our services, and improving our internal processes. Besides, our marketing team had informed me that there are several of my profiles being created out there already. Now, jokes aside, I want to take this chance to highlight to everyone that I do not have a Twitter profile, and if you see one out there, they are impersonators. As always, and by default, stay safe and vigilant on the interweb. I would like to thank you for watching this video. Many of you have been standing by Alchemy Pay in our journey in the last few years. To our Alchemy Pay team members around the world, our partners and clients, I sincerely thank you for your trust, dedication and cooperation as we work together to bridge the crypto and fiat global economies. The past 12 months have seen huge progress for us, and we are confident that our hybrid payment system and our crypto RAM services will continue to expand throughout this year. Stay tuned on our Twitter for announcements of upcoming partnerships and business updates, as well as our completely new and improved website, which will be launched in Q2. I wish you and your loved ones a joyous Easter holiday.